Don't let zinc deficiency impact children's life. Zinc supplementation should start from the fetus. There is no doubt that all parents love their children, and they always want to give their children the best, including comprehensive nutrition. Therefore, from the beginning of pregnancy, the expectant mothers began to supplement calcium, iron, vitamins, and so on. But have you taken zinc supplements? The impact of zinc deficiency on children's health and intelligence is lifelong. Because of zinc deficiency, many children fall behind at the starting line of their life at fetal period. Zinc deficiency will affect the development of fetal limbs, intelligence, and nervous systems, resulting in slow growth, deformity, and mental retardation after birth. After the baby is born, zinc supplementation is equally important, especially for the baby who is short of zinc in the fetal period. We can't miss the opportunity to make it up. Compared with babies with sufficient amount of zinc, babies who have zinc deficiency tend to have low immunity and are more likely to get sick. But they are also more prone to anorexia, eating problems, malnutrition, and other problems, and even more prone to tooth decay. At school age, due to zinc deficiency, some children will have problems such as a weak eyesight, inattention, declined memory, and study performance. Therefore, if you want your children to be healthy and smart, supplement zinc in time is the key.